Welcome to the guide on finding articles, starting with the Find Articles and More search from the library homepage. We'll be going over some of the ways the search is designed to help you find relevant articles. You're actually searching multiple databases at once. Here on the library homepage, you can enter a few keywords into the search box under the Find Articles and More tab. Here I'm typing in human anatomy, and before I hit search, I can make sure that my results will either have the full text available or be peer-reviewed. For now, I'm going to make sure that the full text is available. If this option isn't checked off, you might get some results that we don't own. That doesn't mean you have to pay for the article though. Check out our interlibrary loan options if that's the case. Now I'm going to begin my search. My first result is a special research starter. These provide great summaries on a variety of topics to get yourself acquainted with the subject. Browsing through research starters can be a great first step when researching. Here on the top, if you click All Filters, a pop-up screen will appear to the right. It is the Refine Results toolbar. I could select my source type here. For example, I could pick only news and get all news articles, or I could pick only academic journals, and limit my results to the past 5 years. Now my refinements are up here, and I can exit out of one at any time if I decide to go back a step. Now I'm scrolling through some of the search results to find one that looks interesting, and clicking on the title. It's always a good idea to read the abstract to make sure that the article will be relevant. Here on the top right, I have some options to cite the article in different styles. Make sure to check the citation to see if it's correct. Finally, here under the title, you have the option to open and read the full text through downloading it or looking at the PDF. If you have any questions, be sure to use the Ask a Librarian service on the library homepage.